In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Sony. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck. Now get this free app from Tool developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Finally, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your Sony's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!